The Samsung S22 Ultra is one of the most premium flagship Android experiences you can get your hands on right now. After bringing the S Pen experience to the S series last year, this year the S Pen gets a place inside the phone too. On the front, you've got the magnificent dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a peak brightness of 1750 nits and a 120Hz refresh rate. On the back, you've got this slick new camera setup with a 108 megapixel wide sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and two 10 megapixel telephoto sensors for up to 100x zoom. On the front, you've got a 40 megapixel sensor for all those great selfies. The front and back of the phone are protected with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the phone is IP68 water and dust resistant. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The S22 Ultra has a whopping 5000 mAh battery and charges at up to 45 watts. Running Android 12, the phone also provides unique Samsung experiences such as Samsung Pay and Samsung DeX. Starting at dirhams 4699, the Samsung S22 Ultra is currently available in Jumbo Electronics across the UAE. Order now and get a pair of free Galaxy Buds Pro worth dirhams 739 free with every purchase. Use Jumbo's 4-hour delivery service and get your hands on the most premium Android smartphone in the market right now.